I'm delighted to be here today at the official opening of CanfodAu at Wrexham University. This fantastic new facility has been funded by Ambition North Wales through the North Wales Growth Deal, providing facilities for research, innovation and collaboration with students and businesses for many, many years to come.
Our students here at Wrexham University, we want the best for them, and this is going to provide some really excellent facilities, so we hope that'll help them develop their skills and unlock opportunities for them when they graduate.
The building itself is an enabler to bring key academics together, and not just to help larger companies but SMEs specifically, to help them to understand how that innovation and expertise can help them grow and develop not just the business itself but also their workforce.
The reason why I'm personally excited about this building is I'm actually an engineer and actually enjoy myself working collaboratively with businesses to develop their businesses and bringing that talent on with the students themselves.
It's been a really magical day to actually see what difference having a vision and delivering on that vision can make for North Wales.